Oh, this ain't safe. Bigfoot gonna get me. Bigfoot gonna get me. Some stuff happened back here. Which way we going? Let's go. When in doubt, throw it out. We out. Bigfoot edition. Boom. The Duke of Stoke. Boom. Duke of Stoke checking in again. Got some Bigfoot sighting tracks. Whatever they look. See, Bigfoot was here. I'm telling you guys. What else is gonna do this? Huh? Not no doggone lizards that we seeing. Look, Bigfoot came in here and he sneezed, and that tree fell down just like that. Boom. Boom. Oh, look, see, he double sneezed. He said, look, this look like a face that's gonna lie to y'all. Yeah. Look, there's a third Bigfoot over here. What he doing? Oh my gosh, where's the shade? It is hot.